Hi there, it's Jody. It's Thursday, and so I'm here to show you what I've been stamping. And since tomorrow is the first day of a new month, what I've been working on is my next free card kit in the mail. So the April card kit will feature the Rainbow of Happiness bundle, which includes this stamp set. It's 14 pieces, as well as the coordinating dies. So this right here. So I want to pull in the mini catalog first and show you where this is. It's on page 18 in our January to June mini catalog. You can also find it in my online store. But what I wanted to do was show you some of the samples here to give you an idea of how some of these dies work. On my cards for my card kit, I'm not using every single die, and so I just wanted to show you a couple of them here and how they work. So you've got a scallop border die here, obviously the rainbow pieces and some clouds, and then you have these two pieces. So this is a border that you see like right here. This one happens to have gold foil paper. And then this is a cute little, almost like a tag that you can do that they show here with the greeting. So I'm going to be showing a lot of other samples with the Rainbow of Happiness bundle over the course of the month of April, but my card kit itself doesn't have every little piece. There were just so many things I wanted to do, and I couldn't fit everything in to just 4 cards. So you can definitely look forward to more ideas throughout the month. So let me show you, I think I'll show you the cards next. So there's a few different techniques here, and I'll show you those too over the coming days. But this is just a really fun background technique with ink pads. And then each of these pieces of the rainbow is a separate stamp. And I used Magenta Madness, which is retiring. So if you don't have that color, you're definitely going to want to add that to your order. Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, and Bermuda Bay. And then, of course, the greeting is just stamped in black. This one has fun glimmer, rainbow glimmer paper. That's also retiring. There's a embossed background here, and then again, the greeting on the little banner piece with black ink. This one has a little bit of stamping, just tone on the base of the card. And then these rainbow pieces are all from, grab it here, this die right here. So that is where I got that. And I actually cut it out from this piece of designer paper right here. I'll tell you about this little bonus in just a minute. So you've got some more designer paper, the clouds with the greeting in black, and some twine. And then finally this one. It's just a fun, different way to use these pieces that aren't necessarily like a typical rainbow, but just some geometric shapes more on the background. Again, black ink, a few rhinestones on there, and you're good to go. Now I will show you, I had cut out this little piece and I debated whether or not I wanted to put it right up under that layer. Oh, and I couldn't decide. I went with it off, but this is just an example. You're going to get supplies in your card kit, and you can modify things the way you want it. If you like that border at the bottom, you could certainly cut that out because you'll have the dies to be able to do that. So these are the 4 cards that you will get the supplies for. The little bonus that you get this month, or in April, is this designer paper. You might recognize it. It's from our celebration promotion that we had earlier in the year. But the little bonus with the April card kit is that you're going to get one of each of these pieces. So there are 12 different patterns. Of course, all of our paper is double-sided. So here's the back. It coordinates with those colors that I'm using on my cards. And some of the pieces you're going to use to complete the cards as shown. So like this one with the hearts is what you see here. You see several of the patterns here, but you can modify and choose different ones if you want to. These are for you to do with what you would like. So you're definitely going to have some extras, and that's just a little perk for you during the month of April. So in addition to the black ink, you do need those 4 other colors that I mentioned specifically for this card here. So Magenta Madness, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, and Bermuda Bay. So you'll want to make sure you have these on hand, or you can certainly substitute with colors that you do have, and you would just change the color of the rainbow and the color of your background. As long as they coordinate with one another It doesn't absolutely have to be these colors. And the stamping on the other ones is all just black. So you should be good to go there. So you get the free card kit in the mail simply by placing a $50 minimum order during the month of April. Use my host code and you will get a packet with the consumable supplies and bonus designer papers in the mail from me. You just need to have the Rainbow of Happiness bundle, the ink that you need, scissors, of course, some dimensionals and adhesive, and you can get these put together. You'll get a PDF email sent to you with photos and instructions. So be sure to look for the host code to use in April to qualify for your free kit. And if your order is $150 or more, please don't use the host code because you will qualify for your own Stampin' Rewards. You'll still get the card kit as a thank you gift from me, but I want you to get your own rewards if your order is that high. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.